Hey friends, today's video is going to be a vlog styled video. So I'm just going to take you on a day in the life as a content creator. So I'm halfway dressed. No, I'm like 1/4 dressed. I just have my top on right now. I'm going to get ready to film some content. So come along with me. So the first thing that I usually do when I'm about to get ready to film for YouTube, I have to clean up the area because, everything is on camera. So if my mirrors are dirty, if my windows are dirty, if something is out of place, I'll move it and clean it just so that my video is not distracting. Then I'm just getting ready for my makeup. So I'm just taking my stuff out of my makeup bag and just applying my makeup as I normally would do. And then, of course, after makeup is hair and then my outfit. So if I'm wearing a light colored shirt, I would put that on before I do my makeup just so there's no accidents when I'm trying to put it over my head. And then I'll just get all of my equipment that I have in my room, my camera, batteries, laptop, etc. And I'll go downstairs and set everything up. Since today's videos are going to be about fashion and hauls, I have my shopping bags down here on the floor, pink, Adidas, Marshalls, and then I have my Shein stuff here. And I have all of my stuff here. So I have like different remotes for my TikToks and vertical length videos. And when I'm shooting from my phone, I use these to start and stop videos because I have limited space. I have multiple tripods here. This was the very first one I bought. This is the one I use for my camera, my ring light, and then behind here is my little office space. So everything is all together, and I have like different accessories and things here, bras and stuff as I need them for my try-on hauls. So I have like a backlog of a whole bunch of videos that I have filmed and not had time to edit or post them. So my camera and my phones are both full on memory, so I just had to take the time to transfer things to my external hard drive. And this is one of the very important things to use as a content creator, or to have as a content creator, because you just have so many files and so many videos and things like that you need extra storage. Today my actual laptop was full as well, so I had to go ahead and delete videos off of my laptop. Long story short, I just had to clear a space so I can start recording new content. Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Thank you so much for tuning back into my video. Today's video is going to be a fun video. It's a fashion try-on haul from, drum roll, actually you already seen the thumbnail. So it is from Shein. Woo! So this is a video that I did. It was obviously I just said it was a try-on haul for Shein. I have already posted this, so if you're interested in actually seeing how the video turned out, you can check out the link in the cards above and also in the description box below. And so, as I'm about to mention in this live clip, I like to batch film or batch record all of my content. So that's for YouTube. I'll do a long form video on YouTube. I'll do a short form for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and my shorts. And then I want to start getting into Pinterest and doing idea pins. All right, so I like to do TikToks while I'm dressed up, because then I'll turn it into an Instagram post and I'll have a picture for my thumbnail for Instagram. So I do them all 3 3 platforms all the same day, filming, batch recording, batch filming, batch picture taking, everything. So I'm gonna do one more TikTok while I'm in this outfit here. People who are like off topic, but you look so good.
That's always on topic. A
My-
compliment is always on topic.
Oops, bloopers. Let's do it again.
People who are like, oh,
3, 2, 1. People who
people
are
who are like
like
on topic, but you look so good.
3, 2, take 3.
People who are like off topic, but you look so.
Take 4, 2, 1. People who are like
on topic, but you look so good. That's always on topic. A
Compliment is always on topic. My villas are always
on topic. Thank you so much.
So it's always easier if you mouth out, not mouth out, if you actually say the words that the TikTok is saying, because if you mouth them out, sometimes they're not in sync. So like it's in sync with the sound because I'm actually saying it.
3 days later.
So this is my office / YouTube studio, and I haven't filmed in here in so long, so I'm actually getting ready to set it up. So I have my 2 soft light boxes here, and then my ring light, and I have my tripod for my camera, and then my tripod for my phone. So this is a little setup, and then here is the DIY backdrop that I made. And I'll link that up in the cards above and in the description box. And then I just have a chair that I sit when I record. So let's set it up. Let there be light. And there it was light. Times 3. So a few days later, I just wanted to show you guys my YouTube studio. In the past few months, it's been used as a storage unit. So this is the first time filming in here in a long time. And I'm really excited about it just because I have that white background, so it's easier for me to do my thumbnails and all that stuff. Hey girlfriends, my name is Gabrielle Ishell. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you are new here, thank you for... Hey girlfriends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. Going from landscape to portrait so I can do my final TikToks for the day. So the hardest part of being a content creator, I think, is editing, because it just requires so much time. And like I mentioned before, I just have a backlog of things that I just haven't had time to edit. It can be a lot sometimes. I'm actually in Pittsburgh. Fun fact, I went to the University of Pittsburgh and I was just there for less than 24 hours. But I wanted to actually take some time to edit my videos, and I'm actually editing this video as we speak, or as I speak. This is the most time-consuming part of being a content creator because editing takes forever. If you see, let's say, a 15-minute video on YouTube, it probably took at least 1 hour. It takes a while to edit a 15-minute video because for me, it's weird because I'm actually a quiet person. I'm to myself, but when I get to talking on camera, I just have so much to say. So for me, it's really hard to cut out information and things that I say throughout a video. If you have that problem too, you can always try to break out a topic into different subtopics, I guess. And that way you can have more videos, more content, but shorter in length, because the average viewer's attention span is like really, really low. So you don't want your videos to be too long. So usually while I'm editing, I like to think about music that I want to use in the background of my videos. And one of the places that I go to find music is thematic. And so with YouTube and any other social media platform, you don't want to be using copyright music. If you do use it, you won't be able to monetize that particular video. The person who created the music will be entitled to any money that you make on that video. As y'all know, we can't be using Cardi B or Beyonce in our videos. We have to use music that is not copywritten, and thematic is a perfect way to do that. So I'm just showing you how I find music that I like. And this video is actually in partnership with Thematic. So I found this from another content creator because I was interested in going outside of the YouTube music studio and finding music that better aligned with the content that I was creating and just sounded more appealing to my audience. So I really like using Thematic, and I'll show you exactly how I find new music for my videos. So you can just Google Thematic, or you can use my affiliate link that I have in my description box below. Sign up for an account, log in, and you'll see on the homepage it has like trending songs, and it also shows the recent videos that feature that trending song. I love that over time and after you have saved and downloaded a few songs on Thematic, it gets you a weekly match list. So it aligns new songs with some of the genres of your older songs that you have saved and downloaded, and it just puts them in your forefront so you can try to listen to them and see if there's something that you would like. So I'm just going to use my weekly matches and try to find a new song for this video. In order to not get a copyright claim on YouTube, you do have to copy this link that they provide, just so that YouTube and the creator knows that you are sourcing where this music is coming from. So it's just basically a link to the site, and it just has the artist name. So we're giving credit to the artist. So I'm gonna go to the next zone and see if this is something that I would like. And this is, so I will do the same thing. Just gonna download it and copy that link, paste it to my notes, and move on to the next one. So I am now going to all of the songs that I've downloaded previously. And I know there's one artist in particular that I really like the music and I have a lot of their songs, and his name is Mr. Chase. I couldn't think of it, but you're able to see all the songs that you downloaded, so I can click on him and find his new music that way. So this is all his music, and you see to the right that some of them say unlock and has like a little diamond there. There are songs that you can listen to and download for free, but there are songs that you can only listen to, or you can listen to them all, but you can only download it if you have the premium. So the premium is $7.99 a month, and with this you have access to all songs, including the ones that are locked. You have unlimited YouTube channels. So on the free version, you can only use one YouTube channel. You can have 2 playlists, and you can access the community Discord. But on the premium version, you have access to all songs. You can use it across unlimited number of YouTube channels. You can invite team members. So let's say you're the content creator and you have an editor and a creative director. You can invite those people to your account and they can, I guess, download songs on your behalf. You can have an unlimited number of playlists. So there are a lot of benefits to having a premium account. One thing that I like about Thematic, when you're starting from scratch to find music, you can choose whether or not you only want instrumental. You can choose whether or not you want to include explicit songs or include premium songs. And you can also choose the genre and the vibe of the video that you're going for. So there are a lot of options of filtering music to find exactly what you're looking for. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing behind the scenes of how I film my videos, how I edit my videos, and how I find the best music for YouTube videos. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next post, I will see you guys later. Bye.